Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Suave Flex 122 AM here with a London session live call. All right, we're gonna get some people in here. Let's get it.
Looking for an easier way to get that LLC next to your business name? Say hello to Taylor Brands. Just go to their site, enter your LLC state, choose your business name, answer a few questions, and that's it. Now your business has tax flexibility and personal asset protection. Plus, it's approved by the state. And it took you what? 3 minutes?
Look, go get the album and the EP. Look, I know they talking shit, that's why I'm lipping with a stick. I'm like a pick the way I'm scouting for the bitch. Regardless what you did, dog, I ain't never switch. All about my chicks.
We'll get started quick. We'll get started quick. Just waiting for other people, whoever's gonna go.
Baby, lift up and one daddy, he gonna show you, dog. This rap shit be regular. Fuck niggas. I don't see competitors. We ain't the same. Cause I be letting it. And I know your type. Why you sweating it? Acting just like Nicky, all these niggas trying to find me, but that talk is let me shit bet it up. We can knuckle up. It's really what you want to do, shit.
All right, yo, what's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? So I'm gonna get straight into it, just because I want y'all to be. I don't want to go too fast either, though. I want y'all to really understand, because there's only two people here on the call, which is perfect. I mean, don't mind me, bro. I look fucking crazy right now. You already know after work shift, I look crazy, bro. But
You're good. You're good.
this call is being no, I don't really give a fuck, bro. I'm just letting y'all know I look fucking tired. But this call is being recorded, so you guys can backtrack onto this. Bro, I got like 2 subscribers on my YouTube, but what I'm about to show y'all has made me money just right now. I've been wanting to use this shit since fucking last week. That's how I made you guys money, Danny. That's how I made you money last week. Me personally, I was going in like small ass baby lots. And some days I didn't even trade. I just sent out trades for the fact that I don't like seeing little ass pips. I'm sorry, like I don't like seeing like little dollars from the money that I've made within this I guess workspace. It's like when you put a 0.250, bro, I just made $250 right after I just got off work. Like that
Hell
was
yeah.
that's my intention. Like that's what I want to do as soon as I get home. Now, doing it late at night, for me personally, I don't like it because I have kids. I want to be able to like go, put my kids to bed and shit. But instead, I'm at fucking work, which is cool. I work for Wells Fargo, y'all. Just so if y'all didn't know, I work for a bank. So I know I don't have any inside trading, not yet. Nah, just kidding. But definitely looking forward to getting my license so I could legally trade for everybody inside of our Discord. And that's legally. So meaning that I could work for brokerages, I could be a broker, things like that. But my goal right now is show y'all what I just did and how I made this money. So when we're looking at what we teach, TSQ, we're teaching 4 hour structure and quarter levels. Okay, so we're gonna go to the 4 hour chart. So when we're looking at the 4 hour chart right now, we can see that it was already in a downwards momentum. Okay, y'all, it was already going downwards, like from right here. This was, I believe, I think this was market open. One of these candles was market open. I believe it was this one. Not too sure which one was market open. Let me see. Where's Sunday at? Where's Sunday? Right here. Sunday. Okay. This was market open. 4 hour. That thing just popped up. Right after that, I told y'all, I said, if it doesn't break above this level 40.75, we're going to be looking for consolidation. Now, if we see anything under below 40.50, I said it's going to be all sells. Sure enough. Look what happened. It was sales. And then again, if you follow our strategy TSQ, you would have been perfect for a sell at 40.50 for the fact that if we're following TSQ, again, I'm going to just keep saying it like, so forgive me. I like to repeat myself a lot. But one thing right here, if you would have followed TSQ, knowing that the 4 hour trend was already down. And if you followed the quarter level part where we teach, if it stays below this quarter level, you're probably going to be going to that next quarter level. And sure enough, it stayed below this quarter level, 40, 50. You probably would have got a retest. That's where people get scared, they get out, or they pull out, which is cool. Like some people have, proper risk. You want to keep your account safe. That's okay. Some people might have gotten a good entry where that's where I say, wait, let's wait for a little bit. Let's see what happens. Because look, right now, you said, oh, yo, look, it broke and closed. Imagine if I was like, yeah, get in, it broke above it. Fuck it, let's go. Bro, we would be sick right now. My stomach would be hurting. Like, I don't, I'm just a winner, bro. Anybody in this chat is a winner, and I know that for a fact. We all like to win. Why? Because look at what we're doing. We're trying to make more money. We're trying to find a different source of income because we're fucking hustlers, and that's what we like. So, therefore, I know we're winners and we like to win. Now, in this case, what we're looking for this to break and close, because if we're following TSQ, we want it to break hard. So we got an hour and 30 minutes left for this 4 hour trend for 4 hour to really show us what's going to happen. Where is the trend at really? Because right now we're in down. Right now we're in downtrend. That's why it's kind of risky to even get in this. But seeing this right here, this big ass fucking wick just going whoop, whoop, yo, this is fire. Like that's crazy. So now I'm in that momentum of like, okay, let's see what happens. That's why I'm up right now. I'd probably be asleep right now, chilling. But I'm looking at this market and I'm like, wow, I'm using the strategy that I just basically did myself. So we're using TSQ, following that. Not only that, we have these indicators. So all this shit that you see on my chart is indicators giving me more confirmation for what's happening. Like even this right now, how these are crossed over. Bro, we're still in sell momentum. This is a retest. I think we might even get a retest like right here in this area, and then we'll sell off again. If it doesn't break this, what level is that? Yeah, I already had it right there. I had this right here, 40, 41. I think it can go up to that level for sure. And if it doesn't break above that, we can see that continuation more to the downside. Again, mind you, it's barely going to be Tuesday tomorrow. I don't even think Joe has taken any trades because he's really following what we're teaching though. Because right now, I mean, if you want me to be real, we're not following the strategy. The trades that I'm sending is because I'm confident in the trades that I'm sending. But typically, this is what we want to be trading right here. If I have it right there, we go. We just want to be trading Tuesday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. One of those sessions. And again, we're following TSQ, 4 hour, 30-minute structure, 15-minute entry. So let's go down to the smaller time frames. And the reason why I said have your laptop out, or if you can have it out, because I want y'all to have these indicators, because I'm going to keep going down into these lower time frames to show y'all how I'm making this money. So that way, when I can't send out a trade or Joe's busy, I'm busy, and that's the goal. The goal is to teach you guys to take it and run with it. You guys already got lifetime access. Like, why not bring more people to the chat? So when you do, we could talk more about the affiliate program that we got going on with Alex right now. And that's the first person to be doing it right now. The only person that we have doing it right now, which is awesome. I think is really, really dope because I think this is how we grow as a community and more eyes on the charts, more people learning about this, doing this, and then the times that you do want to take a trade and there's more confirmation for that trade and from other people in your community, like, yeah, bro, I see the same trade. I see that buy too. And then you guys all take it and then we all hit for TP. Like that shit's amazing. Like right now, this is perfect. Like now we want to wait. There's 30 minutes. It's an hour. So we could wait till 2 a.m. right quick. Like you see how it's strongly breaking above that right now? That's fire. That's fire. There's 20. This candle just started though. So what I would recommend, how do we find it? TSQ. Look at this. Now we're gonna find it for the entry. So we could probably find this in the next 15 minutes. Me personally. Look at that. We can find this thing can shoot up. It's 12 minutes on the candle. This thing can shoot up right here, all the way right here to this area. Retest. That's when we come back in. All right. And honestly, it could have been this candle if you want me to be real. It could have been. We could have got in right here, seen this. That would have been like that fire, nice little retest. But again, I want this break and close. I want a good confirmation because if we're again following TSQ,
Want to
if
let
this,
it do its thing.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
I said we would want to let it do its thing a little bit, get more confirmation.
Exactly. You already got it, bro. So you're seeing what I'm seeing then. That tells
Yeah.
me you're seeing what I'm seeing. You see it going up right here because I'm always talking about it. I'm always marking it up like that. Comes back to that quarter level, and then
Boom.
boom, it goes right back up. And it doesn't have to come back down to this level in particular. It could go right here to right here, this level. And we'll mark that. That's going to be a golden zone. You could have two entries. This thing has 11 minutes. This thing's fucking shooting up right now. Fuck yeah. I'm just like, damn, that would have been 100 pips already. Fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would have been
It
100
looks
already.
so small on the computer, bro.
Yeah, no, definitely. It looks,
But I
bro.
like how you have like everything marked up, bro. That's better because on the phone, you would have to do it every time.
No, no. If you're logged in with TradingView, so if you have an account with TradingView,
Yeah.
it'll save and it'll automatically save. If you have to have it auto saved on your phone, it'll automatically save. So whatever you put on your phone, I
It'll
can
stay on
come
there.
home. Yeah, I can come home and I can log into my laptop and it'll be same way that I
Just,
put it.
jeez, I need to
Yeah.
do that.
Yep.
Look
So
it, bro. It's shooting.
yeah, right now it's shooting up. That's already 100 pips, guys. Sorry. Sorry, guys.
Well, what do you think? You're hitting. You're entering that one, or
Nah,
let's wait for the retest.
hell no, I'm not entering that. That would be
It's already
crazy.
it's
It's
Gonzo's.
gone. It's gone, brother. It's gone. I would wait for the retest because we could wait for the retest. Remember, this is that golden zone.
Yeah.
Golden zone right now. Dang, look at that. Live on the call. Live on the call. What's up, Alex, Danny? Thank y'all for being on here. Let's get it. 100 pips.
Real quick.
Live.
Bro, I like how it does that, bro. Every time like we get on a live call, even with Jovi too. Like exactly what he's
It'll do
talking
his
about,
thing. It'll
bro.
do
And
his
then
thing.
have
Joe knows what he's talking about too, bro. That's why I learned that. Like right here would have been a fucking perfect entry on the way he taught me with the quarter levels. This right here, this 15-minute entry, because it fucking wicked it and it just stayed above it. You would have entered. I was in at 40-10. So I caught 80 pips. That was perfect for me. Or I caught 50 pips. I'm sorry. I caught 50 pips. Look, we got Shane throwing up. Hold on, let me see what Shane is saying. We'll get this to the morning. Let me see. I got other people. Yeah. 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 Damn, it already hit, bro. That's crazy. It already hit the golden zone.
oh,
It already hit what I wanted it to hit. Damn.
that
That's
was nice,
wild.
bro.
I said, look, let's go to the 15-minute. How are we gonna find the entry? And then
Boom, right
boom.
away.
How are we gonna find the entry? Bah, that's cool. That's fire. So, me personally, this is what I mean on what I like. You could have caught that for sure, because the way I known I would have caught that, because I was already in right here. I was already in at the buy right here, bro. Right here. Where did I get spooked out? Did I
What
get?
is that? 4 hour?
No, this is a 2 minute, bro. 2 minute
Two
chart.
minute?
So this is what I mean. This would be so much better if we were in person because I could show y'all what to download. But do you guys see these like the 200 EMA field? You guys see all these numbers, right? Do you guys see all
Kinda,
this?
bro. It's kind of small, no cap.
Okay, fuck.
Let me see. Yeah, I can zoom in. Yeah,
Well, I'm basically just put. Do you guys see what I'm hovering over? The 200
yeah.
EMA.
200 EMA.
Yeah, pro. That's what you want to add once you download TradingView, you make your account. You can't add all of these unless you're paying for it. I honestly, this is like Leo said, my boy Leo, he's my Puerto Rican brother. That boy said he's like, this is the best $16 I've ever fucking spent. Like it's a month too, bro. Like, and like we could have stayed in this trade the whole time. I could have stayed in this trade, bro. I would have been I would be up right now, but again, this is what happens. You got to stay disciplined. The fact that I know that this works, I'm gonna keep giving y'all sauce like this because this is like the EMA's crossed. So these red and yellow lines they crossed over. Do you see how they crossed over right here?
Yeah.
That was your confirmation. So as soon as it crossed, you wait for that retest, okay? And once that retest happens, it's up because as soon as it crosses, it's either gonna go 100 pips or it's gonna go fucking berserk like it just did right now. Look, bro, that's insane. Almost 500, almost 200 pips on the call, bro. Like
Crazy, bro.
and I sent it out before I said, look, this is what
And
I
that's
see.
what? That's a 2 minute one? A 2 minute chart, you said?
This is a 2 minute chart. So in 2 minutes with a 1.0, bro, what are at least what I like what
Yeah, what
I
you would
trade
risk.
0.25, honestly. Man, bro, I'm like fucking hyped right now. I'm just like shook. I could have been in that. I would have been $500 though.
You would have smacked.
Yeah, that's what I was supposed to smack. And God's just showing me what's up. God's showing me what's up because
He's giving you the confirmation.
he's get exactly. Amen. 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 You just took the words out of my mouth, bro. But yeah, honestly, man, I would just wait. Yeah, because we kind of missed that shit. That shit's gone. That shit's gone.
Took off.
Yeah, we could wait for the retest to come back to the quarter level, 40.25, or like I said, that golden zone. This golden zone would be 40.27. So 40.30-ish, 40.27. You could look for that retest area if you're still up. Now, if you're not, that's cool. You can wait till 6 a.m. I believe Joe will be up. I'm sure he'll be because it's Tuesday. So he's probably going to be up with John. I would even reach out to him. If you're up at 6 a.m., definitely reach out to this fool and he'll definitely put you on with a Zoom call. We could just do it just like this. And there's another millionaire trader that gentleman that we both respect, man. I think you probably even seen him post Mr. International, the old guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. He's definitely knowledgeable in this for sure. And he's someone that I've seen grow a $5,000 account to a six-figure account. So it's someone you definitely want to learn from. I mean, it's a different strategy, but we're using different tools as well. So I would definitely say if you miss this one, if it doesn't come back down, let's just wait because that'd be chasing the trade, and I'd be goofy to tell you. I'd be a gambler if I said, yo, yeah, let's go in as soon as it hits these levels because we don't know what could happen right now. This thing could just take off forever. And how the economy is looking right now, I do not doubt that at all. Everybody's selling Bitcoin, so when people sell Bitcoin and fear panic on things like that, they go for the commodities, they go for the actual metal. So you're going to see silver boom, you're going to see probably gold just go crazy right now, and then stocks are probably going to go crazy as well. I don't trade stocks, but I definitely see other people that do, and yeah, bro, their stocks are going crazy. People are putting their money where it's actually being worth towards the economy right now. People don't see the Bitcoin. I see the future in Bitcoin, but right now people don't. Like not a
A
lot
lot
of
of
people.
people are getting rid of it, huh?
Yeah, a lot of people are getting. I mean, if you look at it, it's at 91,000, bro. Like that's
I seen that,
insane.
bro. It dropped crazy. What was it at? Like a hundred
Solana,
and what?
bro,
Eight?
if you have the money, definitely invest into Solana, bro. That's the lowest I've ever seen it go. Because if it goes back to 260 and you throw a rack in, you just basically doubled up, double up. But Solana's a good one. Ethereum's always good. Bitcoin, I mean, you could keep investing. I know Joe is very, very heavily invested into crypto, so definitely whatever he has to say about crypto, definitely tune in on that because he has the sauce on that. I know he's definitely made a lot of money on that for sure. Most I made was probably 2,500 because yeah, I was FOMO, bro. I got scared. I was like, yo, I'm pulling out. Hell no.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, definitely missed out on a lot of profit. But at that time, I think I needed it for sure. I think I needed it for rent or something at that moment. So
Came
it
in
was a
handy.
blessing. Yeah, yeah, definitely a blessing. But I mean, hey, that's what happens, man. But now I'm glad that we have this strategy. Like right now, in like probably in 10 minutes, bro, you could see this thing probably shoot back down. I do not doubt this. Shoot back down to that golden zone right here. These beige lines will always be my golden zone. So if you ever see me post these like yellow lines, those are going to be areas that you want to see gold go to. And
And
just
that's every 25 level, right?
no, the orange lines, the bright
Okay,
orange lines are
okay,
gonna,
okay.
yeah, those are
And
gonna be
the
go ahead, my fault, brother.
No, you're good. And the yellow ones are the golden zone ones.
Yep, yeah, beige, yellow looking ones. Yep, are they going to be the areas that I want to see gold either go to so we could enter for a buy, or I'll have it for a sell sometimes. I'll have it like reverse. I'll be like, yo, hey, watch these golden zones for a sell, perfect areas to enter for a sell.
Okay.
Like this golden zone, this 4041 is a good area. That's why I marked it because if I look to the left right now, I could see that it was a strong resistance. It wasn't breaking through. It didn't really want to go up there and it just sold off after that. It was
Yeah.
trying, came back up, tried again, went down, came back up, tried again, broke it, but still came back down, broke
Retest
it.
it.
Yep.
Yep.
And then this is like, you know what? Yeah, we're just gonna go down. Let's just go downtown. So that's what we might even see. I have other people that I'm in chats with. They're even calling the sell-offs right now. They're calling the sell. They're saying that you probably won't even see something like this till the morning. Again, it's 1:43 a.m. This thing can just consolidate right here and like slowly make its way down like a zigzag, like
Uh-huh.
a consolidation zigzag up and down to that quarter level. And then again, if it goes below 40.25, just be careful because if these EMAs cross,
It's going down.
yeah, it's gonna cross down. So if this yellow one, I'm over here trying to point and shit. If this yellow one, if this yellow one and this red one cross down, then yeah, bro, like you're probably gonna see the sell-offs. And if it doesn't, then you'll probably just see the consolidation, just sit bouncing, moving. And then we'll probably see the bigger move around 6 a.m. I was looking at Forex Factory. I don't see any news early in the morning. Nothing crazy. So that's why I think we want to watch out because we don't know what could happen. Gold could either go crazy and go up or go crazy and go down. It is currently, yeah, see, that was a sell-off right there, bro. 40.41, sell-off. I think it could even come back down to this area, 40.33. Again, that's going to be another golden zone. Could probably catch
And
the
and the
buy.
golden zone, that's what you're using to indicate where you want it to give you the confirmation at.
Yeah, to go in for either a buy or a sell.
Okay.
But I'll take this one off. I'm gonna take this one off because I don't like that. I like this right here. 40.27. 40.27 could be a good entry for another buy to see a buy. That's what I'm looking at.
And which one's this one that you're looking at right now? What chart?
This is gold, 2 minute chart. Gold, 2 minute.
2 minute.
Yep, 2 minute chart. Let me go to the 15 minute. That way it's a little bit more. Like, see, right now you could get that retest. That'd be crazy. Yeah, I was gonna say that'd be crazy if it shoots up and look. Fuck it, buddy.
For real.
Uh, damn, I'm just salty that we missed it, honestly. That's why I'm like, damn, I'm just looking at it like shit. I called it, but fuck, we missed it.
Hey, at least you caught it.
Yeah, no, we called it. It was confirmation, easy money. I'm telling y'all, having these indicators though will save y'all. That's what I'm saying. Having all of these indicators, once we do an in live session, I think is going to be very mandatory. I think for just everybody. That way we could show, like me and Joe could show both of the strategies that we have. I want to show, I don't even think I've showed Joe this yet, how I have these indicators, but it's been working for me. That's how I'm calling out these charts right now. And yeah, bro, we're winning. We're winning. We're all gonna keep winning. I was gonna say this is my trade, but it's already fucking hit. It already hit. So that's already 200 pips in the bet. Oh, at least 100 and what, 40, 42, 43, I'm sorry. 130, sorry. 130 pips. Damn, bro, what the hell? 170. God damn it, bro. I'm
The
salty.
retest.
Yeah, we could get the retest, bro. Like, and that's what I want. That's what I'm looking for now. But we would have to wait for two 15-minute candles. Oh shit, that's super zoomed in. There we go. We would have to wait for two 15-minute candles to really get that good confirmation. Like two candles that wick, like how I was talking about in this area where it just wicked it.
Uh-huh.
If it just wicks, damn, what the fuck? This fucking laptop. There we go. Let me just put a little circle right there. If it does something like that with two 15-minute candles and it just wicks the 40.25, then that's going to be perfect. That's going to be that re-entry, that retest for that re-entry for it to go up. Because right now, if we're going to be at if we're going to follow TSQ right now, if we're following TSQ, this shit's on a fucking uptrend. Okay? We're on an uptrend.
Vamos aquí.
And if we go
Anda,
above
cuello.
40.50, we're definitely we're in that strong momentum uptrend for sure, which I could see happen. I could see that going all the way up right here back to this area. So that's 4100. I could see it coming back up there. But let's wait. Let's definitely wait. Let's see what happens. Let's get that retest back to 40.27. That would be a good entry. But me personally, I'm seeing up. I'm seeing uptrend. I want this 15-minute candle. If these 15-minute candle EMAs cross over, bro, yeah, that's going to be a bigger confirmation for buys, more confirmation. And
If it does cross,
yeah, I think we're going to get that retest, honestly. I think we're going to get that retest. Be confident in that trade once we get that retest cuz I believe that we're going to go up. I think people are selling off all these, these cryptos to get into some gold, man. Gold is going to touch 5K. I think gold will touch 5K by the end of this year.
think so?
Bro, I can I
For
can
sure.
I could see it. I could see it happening. I can't say, "Oh yeah, I'm for sure positive," but I could see it
Yeah.
happening just based off how this whole economy is going. We have news. We have news coming up and NFP could either break gold past its like all new highs or like get it back up to the all like the 4200s 4300s because I think the last thing it touched was like what 40 almost 45 it touched like 4450.
Yeah.
The shit was salty, bro, and then it just sold off. Yeah, no, so 43.75 and just sold off. So this is a daily. Yeah, bro, that's fire. That's gonna be a fire uptrend. I think it might even happen for it to go back down to 40.27. That'd be pretty cool. That's literally the retest area from the left to the right. It touched it. There's nothing else. I think this thing's gonna go up. Me personally. Look at that. I'm just trying to think. I want y'all to get in the trade, but I want this retested. I'd say let's wait for the retest. And if it breaks above 40.41, wait for the retest right there and then just I would say hop in proper risk. All right. And if you want to wait in the morning, you can wait in the morning too.
So you'd let it retest
Yeah. So that would be
around.
do you guys understand this one? The 40, how it's at 40.41? Here, let me move this one. I'll probably move this right there. Yeah, the thing's gonna take off again. Watch. Hell yeah, man. Well, I'm glad I was able to show you. Did y'all understand any of that though? Honestly, if not, that's cool. We just got to keep doing more calls or we got to do an in-person session where everybody understands everything that I'm teaching, or at least Joe's teaching. I don't know. Danny, you on here? Did Danny get off?
Yo, yeah, I'm getting it, bro.
Just making sure. I know you be taking your own trades sometime, or no, you be on
Nah,
the
nah.
chat. Yeah, you be on the chat. You be
Yeah, I'll be
on
in the
your own.
chat.
That's fire. That's fire, brother. Well, all right, man. If y'all want to definitely see that happen, damn, that shit's taking off again. All right, y'all. I mean, that's 300 pips that I've already caught. What? That's 400 pips. So we took an L earlier, me and Danny, and then we caught it back right now. I definitely got it back for sure. Danny, um, I was at work. I shouldn't have been trading though. That's when I was getting it back. Yeah, that's when I was getting it back. And then right here, when I got home, as soon as I hopped on these charts, bro, I just took that entry. I didn't send it out because I wanted to test it before I knew like, yo, I could definitely feel confident enough to send this to my chat.
Yeah.
But again, I've been sending it to y'all last week. All last week was because of the strategy that I'm using now. But to send this one where I'm actually throwing in my big lots, it just gave me a lot more confidence, y'all. So I trust these trades. If it breaks to this 40.27 retest, enter for a buy. If it breaks above 40.41, I'm definitely going for that buy again. All right, y'all.
Yep.
That-
Hey, yeah, if we no cap though, I am understanding this, but a session in person, bro, I feel like we need that for sure.
Tell Joe. Tell Joe. Trust me.
For
Hey, I
real.
think everybody should just message Joe. Yo, we need an in-person
And
session.
I
Trust
told
me.
he was telling me too, cause low key, like I'll be working hella too,
Yeah.
so I be trading. I need to find a better time for me to trade, cause in the morning I don't think
Yeah,
I don't know. I can't really
because
trade
you're
in the
up. Look,
morning.
you're up at night, fool. So I'm already knowing you're up, and that'll be lit. You could be like, "Yo, pull out your phone, like you just with the guys, like, yo, it's fucking
Yep.
12 a.m., motherfuckers. I'm up 1,500, 1,200,
Yeah.
bro. Just chilling." They're gonna be like, "What the fuck is that, bro?" And then that's when it happens. That's when all it comes together.
For
But
real.
hell yeah, brothers. Look, man, you guys know what's happening. You guys see it happening right now. It's about to break and
60 on
close
18.
above right now. But I appreciate y'all for getting on this call. All right.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah,
man.
bro. Appreciate it.
All right. Much love to y'all, and y'all stay blessed. All right.
You
All right,
too,
you too,
bro.
bro.
It was